Welcome to all dear friends. Now today we discuss new chapters and new topic algebra, shift promising as set theory and real number system. Okay, तो आज हम लोग सेट थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे. तो फर्स्टली वी डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट सॉरी सेट. पहले हम लोग सेट को डिफाइन करते हैं. ओके, तो सेट फर्स्टली वी डिस्कस अबाउट सेट. सेट मतलब होता क्या है, सेट क्या है. जैसे देखिए सेट है, सेट क्या होता है. जैसे कोई भी सेट होता है, सेट में क्या है कि इसमें वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए, जिस जो डिफाइंड हो. जो डिफाइंड ही नहीं हो वो इसको हम कैसे कलेक्शन कर पाएंगे. तो ये क्या होता है ना, सेट किसी का भी कलेक्शन होता है जो वेल डिफाइंड होता है. ऑब्जेक्ट, थिंग्स, नंबर, कोई भी चीज़ जैसे कहीं भी है. जैसे कोई किताब का सेट ले लेते हैं. कोई किताब है, सपोज क्लास 11th का सभी किताबों को क्या लेते हैं, एक सेट लेते हैं. तो कलेक्शन क्लास 11th पहले की डिफाइंड हो. वेल डिफाइंड मीन्स हम लोग क्या किए, सबसे पहले फर्स्टली वी वेल डिफाइंड दैट मीन्स क्लास 11th बुक. ओके, तो मतलब कि वेल डिफाइंड का मतलब बता रहा है कि क्लास 11 का बुक होना चाहिए. तो क्लास 11 का क्या क्या है. जैसे साइंस स्ट्रीम में लेंगे, अगर साइंस स्ट्रीम में लेंगे तो हमारा फर्स्ट एक क्या हो जाता है, मैथ बुक. ओके, मैथ एंड फिजिक्स एंड सॉरी केमिस्ट्री, CMS कंप्यूटर साइंस, CMS and etc. These all books are well defined, which these all books are we collect from the class 11th book. Okay, मतलब सभी क्लास 11th का ये बुक है. ठीक है, ये चीज बोल रहा है, मतलब सभी के. देखिए ये क्या है, सबसे पहले हम लोग क्लास क्या बोले कि क्लास 11 का बुक है ये. ठीक है, वो भी साइंस स्ट्रीम में है. तो मैथ आता है, फिजिक्स है, केमिस्ट्री है, और CMS हमारा कंप्यूटर साइंस आता है. ठीक है, ये चीज हो गया. और हिंदी इंग्लिश भी होता है, इंग्लिश भी लेता है क्योंकि वो डिपेंड्स ऑन स्टूडेंट. हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या है, सभी वेल डिफाइंड होना चाहिए. वेल डिफाइंड मतलब कहाँ कैसे, उसी को ले सकते हैं. एंड अदर एग्जांपल्स देख सकते हैं. कलेक्शंस ऑफ वोवेल नंबर. वोवेल वेल डिफाइंड क्या हुआ, वोवेल वोवेल लेटर जैसे लेंगे A, E, I, O and U. दिस ऑल आर अल्फाबेटिकल अल्फाबेटिकल केस. ओके, मतलब ये सब अल्फाबेटिकल लेटर है. तो सभी है हमारा क्या, ये वेल डिफाइन क्या हो रहा है कि वोवेल है. कहाँ से है, कॉन्सोनेंट, मतलब ये अल्फाबेट क्या है. ठीक है, ये चीज है. सभी वेल डिफाइंड हो रहे हैं कि वोवेल वोवेल अल्फाबेट है. ठीक है, ये चीज हो रहा है वेल डिफाइंड का मतलब. तो सबसे पहले सेट हम लोग डिफाइन करते हैं. सेट सेट में क्या आता है कि वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट आना चाहिए, और इसमें कलेक्शन होता है. सब हम लोग कलेक्शन करते हैं. तो लिखेंगे अ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट, अ कलेक्शन ऑफ collection the collection of the collection the collection of the collection of well defined objects well defined objects numbers, figures or images, and it is or etc. It is called a set. मतलब कि सेट क्या है कि कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स, नंबर, फिगर्स, इट इज और भी बहुत कुछ है. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, सेट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, एंड जनरली इट इज, इसको नोट में लिखते हैं. इन जनरल we denote the set we denote the set by capital letters and the element of set and the element of set is denoted by small letter, small alphabetical letter. For example, A is a set of the set of vowels. That is, set A equal to A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, this is a set, and A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, and U. This is the set of vowels, collections of vowels alphabet. Okay, and this is the set. This is the name of set. Name of set. And this is all our elements. Okay, so ये है. Next, we define more properties. Suppose how we write the set, how many times we write the set. Okay, set generally write the set in two form. First is in a tabular form, and second is a roster form. First one set in a tabular or roster form, and other is a set builder form. So how we write, how much type, we write the set. How many forms we also write? How many forms or types we write the set. Okay, so first form is a tabular or roster form. First form is a tabular or roster form. In the tabular or roster form, generally we write the set of all elements in the commas separated by commas. Okay, so in a set we separate all the elements by commas. Okay, that is, for example, we write a set A by separate comma, collections of vowels A is separated by comma, and E is separated by other comma, I is separated by comma, and this element is separated by both two commas. commas here, 1 comma, and similarly I is separated by comma, and u and also o separated by commas. All elements are separated by commas. Okay, and this is tabular form. And another form is set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form. Okay, this is we write by generally all elements in theoretical x variable x form. Okay, and in this set builder form, all elements or each elements, every elements, every elements, every elements is every elements is generally written in variable or variables. Suppose sorry, when plural is generally written in variable x, in variables or variable x, then after write colon, put colon, then after colon, that is this type, or by one perpendicular lines is called vertical line, or by vertical line. Then write the properties of x or property of elements of set. Okay, then write property of set. Okay, that is for example set A equal to, write in the set builder form. How we write set builder form? Okay, so x is element, we write, then after variable x is the elements of A, then after colon, put here colon, then put here colon, or by vertical lines, this vertical line, that means this type, this vertical line is also called separated, or and this is read by such that x such that, now we write properties of set elements, okay. So x set A, we write the this set vowel, so x is a vowel. Okay, we take another set. Suppose B is a collection of even number. X is an element colons, or such that we read such that this colon is read by such that x is even number. X is a even number and less than 11. Okay, this is an other set. So ये दो चीज हो गया, tabular form, tabular and roster forms, set builder form. Now we define next topic in the set. First example, After this, in book given first example. So we say first example. First illustrations state that state which of the following statements are true or false. Justify or your answer. That means here given four statement and which statements are true and false. First options, 21 belongs to X in a set X such that X has exactly 4 factors. That means 21, if 21, a number 21 or any number, suppose a number n, okay, if n has 4 factor, that means factor means all divisible number, all divides number, all divides number of n. that means n का सारे डिविजिबल नंबर होंगे, ठीक है, मतलब सॉरी n का कौन कौन नंबर डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स n belongs to in this first set if n has factor of n, which number here we write, if which number here we write which is divides n. ओके, मतलब जो n को डिवाइड करेगा. सिंपल. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल्स 3 और any we take any other numbers. Firstly we see 3 divisor of 3 is 1 and itself 3. Okay, that means 1 is a factor and 3 is a factor of 3, and 3 has only 2 factors, so 3 does not belongs to in this set. Okay, now we discuss first statement. First statement, 21 belongs to in this set and X has exactly 4 factors and 21 is element of this. If X has and 21 has 4 divisor, that means 4 factor, only 4 factor. In the first statement, first we see factors of 21. Factors of 21 is 1 divides 21, 1 divides 21, and 2 not divide, 3 divides 21, and 7 divides 21, and 21 itself divide. Okay, so how many factors of 21? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is 21 has 4 factors. So that means 21 is an element of, this set. Okay, मतलब 21 उसका उस सेट का एलिमेंट हो गया. ठीक है, ये चीज बोलना चाह रहा है. Therefore given statement is true. So given a statement is true. Now we see a second statement. In the second statement, 64 belongs to in this set. That means 64 is the element of this set if y is a 64. That means this y represents 64 when the sum of all positive factors of y is 2y. That means all factors sum. Suppose this number 21, here we check all sum of all factors, this and this and this and this and this. Okay, if double of 21, here 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 21. Okay, we get 21 42, 1 3 4 and 7 11, sorry, 1 3 4 4 7 11 and 21 32. This gives 32 and its double of 21 equal to 42. 2. That means these both are not equal. Sum of factors is 32 and double of this element 21 is 42. So both are not equal. That means 21 in this set not belongs. Okay. So similarly we check for 64. Firstly we write factor of factor factors of 64. Factors of 64 is 1 divide 64, 2 divide 64, and 4 divide 64, 8 divide 64. Then after 8, 16 divide 64, and any other 2 times divide 2, 3, 2 times, okay, 32 and 64. All dividers here. Sum of this all factors 1, 2, 4, 8, 32 and 64. Sum of all factors is add here 4, 10. This will gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 7, 7 and 8, 7 and 15, 15 and 16, 31, 31 and 32. 32 is 31, 32, 63, 63 and 64, 63 and 64. Okay, 7 and 2, 127, and double of 21, double of 64 is 8 times and 128. So this is not equal. That means 64 is not the element of this set. Okay, so given a statement, therefore given a statement is not true. Is not true. Now we check third statement. ये clear है? All are understand? Now third statement 2 belongs to, ये क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए, ठीक है, इसमें कोई इतना हार्ड था नहीं. इसमें क्या बोला था, फैक्टर ऑफ 64. क्या क्या था फैक्टर वो लिख लिए. अब बोल रहा था अगर इसके सभी को फैक्टर सम ऑफ पॉजिटिव फैक्टर सभी को जोड़ देंगे तो क्या आना चाहिए, 2y होना चाहिए. देखिए 2y 128 है, बट यहाँ पे फैक्टर 127 हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स 1 लेस है. सो ये इसमें इक्वल नहीं हुआ, मतलब डबल 2y नहीं हुआ. तो दिस एलिमेंट इसमें नॉट बिलोंग्स टू. ओके, तो वो एलिमेंट उसमें नहीं बिलोंग करेगा. नाउ वी प्रोसीड फॉर थर्ड स्टेटमेंट. 2 belongs to in this set, and set is defined by x element, and all the factor of x is a roots of this equations. Okay, यहाँ पे वही होगा जो इस इक्वेशन x, वही x यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, वही नंबर लिखेंगे, वही एलिमेंट लिखेंगे. वी राइट दिस those एलिमेंट which are satisfy this equations. ओके, जो इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. तो 2 मेरा x होगा कि नहीं, उसके लिए क्या करना होगा, 2 सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कि नहीं देखना होगा. फर्स्टली वी चेक टू सेटिस्फाई दिस इक्वेशंस और नॉट. गिवन इक्वेशन इज x का पावर 4 माइनस 3x क्यूब प्लस 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6 equal to 0. Here we put x equal to 2. This implies 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 2 to the power 3 plus 4 into 2 to the power 2 minus 5 into 2 plus 6. We calculate this. If this gives 0, then satisfy this equation. 2 to the power 4 is 16, and 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 3 is 24. 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 4 16 plus 16 minus 5 to the 10 and plus 6. Here we check 16 16 16 16 and 16 32 and 6 38. Sorry, we write 32, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, 16. Firstly we check 16. 2 to the power 3, 8, 8 and 3, 24, 24, 2 to 4, 4, 4, 16, 5 to 10 plus 6, okay, all right. 16, 16, 32 and 6 is 38, 38 minus 24 and minus 10, this gives 34, and here we see only 4 calculate. 38 minus 34, this gives 4, and this is not equal to 0, so not satisfy this given equation, so that is so hence 2 not belongs in the given set, therefore this statement is true. This statement is, yeah, or given statement is true, or given statement is true. Given statement is true. Okay, now we see fourth statement. 2 3 5 6 2 3 5 6 2, that means 23,562 belongs to in this number, in this number in this set, sorry, in this set. And why this is a y, and y is a divisible by 9. Firstly we check divisibility theory of 9. Divisibility theory say sum of any number is divisible by 9 if sum of all digits of given number is divisible by 9. Okay, that means sum of all digits for fourth statement, this number is given, and divisibility theory apply on this number. Number is 23562. Firstly we check divisibility theory of 9, and divisibility theory is gives if 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 gives a multiple of 9 or divisible number of divisible by 9. Okay, so 2 3 5 and 5 10 10 and 6 16 16 and 2 gives 18. That means this 18 is multiple of 9, that means this 9 divides 18. Okay, 18 is divisible by 9. So given statement, that means, so if this number is divisible by 9, sum of all digits is number comes result is divisible divides by 9, then this number is also divides by 9. That so 23562 is divisible by 9. Okay, that means this is divisible by 9, so this element belongs to in this set, therefore this element belongs to in this set because 9 divides this number. Okay, so therefore given statement is false. Statement is false. Given statement is false. Okay, now we see next topic, and the next topic is different type of sets. After example 1 in the book define different type of sets, that means type of sets. Firstly we say after the set definitions we say how many types we write the set. Okay, मतलब हम लोग सेट के बाद देखे थे सेट टेबुलर फॉर्म और सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, वो हमारा सेट को कितने तरीकों से लिखा जा सकता है, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स वी राइट सेट। अब हम लोग देखेंगे सेट क्या क्या है, ठीक है, टाइप्स ऑफ सेट, मतलब अलग अलग तरह का सेट है, ठीक है। डायरेक्ट हम लिख देते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ सेट और डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेट, different types of set, different types of sets. Okay, sets. First, the finite set. First, we see finite set. Finite set. Finite set. If the number of elements in set in a set the number of elements the number of elements are finite in a set. The number of elements is finite. That is if any set has finite number of elements is finite set or is called finite is finite set. For example, the set vowel set is a finite. The set of vowels that is A, E, I, O and U. That means total number of elements is 5. So this set is a finite set. And other, we take also another set A, or we write by P. Even number, the set of odd number. We take odd number less than 10. That is set P is 1 and 3. Odd number is 3. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here we see total 5. And another, we also write collections of even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, such that and x less than equal to 10. ठीक है, ये हो सकता है. मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं इस तरह से भी x such that x is collections of even number x less than equal to 10. That is the set B. We write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Not we write here 12 because x is less than equal to 10. So we take also 10 because here we write equal sign. And next set is infinite set. Then after null set. Infinite set, if in a set the number of elements is not finite, then this set is called infinite set. Infinite set definition of infinite set: the collections of or in a set or in any set मतलब कोई भी सेट में इन अ सेट द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इज नॉट फाइनाइट, द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स not the number of elements is number of elements, here is a plural, so we write are, the number of elements are not finite, not finite, that means not infinite or not infinite, or simply write not in, the number of elements not infinite, not in infinite, not infinite, in then stop, in then stop, then read finite, not infinite. This is infinite means infinity, infinite. This infinite is gives alike meaning, different meaning, and this in then stop read finite. मतलब इस इन्फिनिटी मतलब हो गया बहुत सारे इन्फिनिटी, वो सिंबल हो गया इन्फिनिटी हो गया, बट इन नॉट इनफाइनाइट मतलब वो फाइनाइट में नहीं है, नॉट इनफाइनाइट. ओके, दैट इज फॉर एग्जांपल्स eg, for examples we represent eg, for example a collections of natural number, set is a natural number, natural number. Why this set is infinite? Why this set is infinite? Because natural number 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, so infinite times, so we write number, positive numbers. Okay, positive integer numbers. And other b is a integer number, integer set of integer number, integer natural numbers, integer numbers. And next is a null set. And third, this second point, this is the second point. And third set, we define null set, and this null set is also read also we say empty set oblique void set, empty set, void set, null sets, all are the name of same set. Okay, null set, empty set, that means no any elements in a set. In a set, no any elements, okay, this is null set, or we also write that is the number of element, that is the number of this number, we write full spelling number, the number of elements in any set, in a set, generally we say in a set, the number of elements in a set is 0, that means no any set, and this is represented by this null set. Sorry. and इस null set को कैसे represent करते हैं? This null set, this is represented by, it is represented by, it denoted by, simply we write denoted, it is denoted by phi or a void set. Okay, void means खाली है, उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं. Phi, this is read as phi, read as phi, 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 ओके, 5 सेट। एक यहाँ पे एक चीज समझने का आ सकता है कि सिर्फ किसी सेट में, इन एनी सेट, if phi in a set, then this phi is represent or treated as a element. Okay, मतलब ये सेट है, ठीक है, और सेट A इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ फाइव, दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ एलिमेंट, मतलब A एक सेट है जिसमें फाइव एक एलिमेंट है, एंड दिस इज नॉट void, दैट मीन्स ये नॉट इक्वल टू फाइव, वी ऑल्सो राइट नॉट इक्वल टू फाइव, मतलब ये void सेट नहीं है, आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते। ओके, ये चीज था। एंड नेक्स्ट ये हो गया हमारा। अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सिंगलटन सेट। सिंगलटन सेट, next point is given, that means 4 number, in a 4 number this example is done. 4 number in a 4 number set is singleton set. Singleton right in a right way, singleton set, and then after singleton set equal set, singleton set, we write freshly, we write prompt, singleton set, that means in a set has only one element, single means single element, any single element in a set it's only one element, only one element in a set has, has not here plural, in a set have only one element, is called singleton set, okay, that means for example Aside, the collection of President of India, another set B is even prime number, okay, total even prime number, set of set, the set of president and the set of is an even number, okay. So first example, the set of president of India, that is president of India is only one element, only one person, मतलब कोई एक ही आदमी रह सकता है, दो को तो होगा नहीं, and second set X such that X is a even prime number, you know, prime number which is divided by itself and 1, ये हो गया, मतलब even prime number that is only 2 is a even prime number, only 2 is a even prime number, not 4 because 4 is divided by 2, 1 and 4 itself, so here 3 numbers divides, but prime number defines only by itself and 1, ने आप और 1 से ही डिवाइड होना चाहिए, ये हो गया। इसके बाद हमारा इक्वल सेट इन 5 नंबर, इक्वल सेट इन 5 नंबर equal set. Equal set means suppose two set A and B has the same number in the both elements, both sets. Suppose A is a set and B is another set. In the both sets, a number of elements in the both sets are equal and all elements are same. That means let A and B, let A and B be any two, set, be any two non-empty set, be any two non-empty sets are called are equal sets, equal set equal sets if all or each element each elements of A are the same are the same are the same are the same in the are the same of set B are the same of each same of each elements of B also equal in number. Okay, also equal in numbers. मतलब A or B, that means we write if number of elements, for example we clear by example in A 2 3 4 and 7 and other set 2 2 4 7 3. That means in the both sets 2 in this set and 2 in this set, also 4 in this set and 4 in this set, 7 and 7 in both set, 3 and 3 in both sets. That means we say A and B are equal sets. This implies, that means here we say A equals to B, that means both sets are equal. Okay, and next sets of set, next topic. Here we write the four or more some examples of equal set. We see more examples of equal sets. Suppose A is a set, the set of letters of the word alloy. That is, this said we write A L. Distinct times write every element, not repetitions in the set. A-L, not we write again L, O and Y. And next word is loyal. And next set, the collection of or the set of letters of the word loyal. That means set B has the element in the set B element L O Y A. Okay, not write again L because L write in the first times. So not again we write repeat. No, in the set, no any element you can write in a not point. This was firstly we here see A in this set A and A in here also in this element in set B. L L O O Y and Y. That means A equal to B. That means we say A equal to B. That means A and B are both equal sets. One not point we write not point in the set or sets in the sets elements all each element each elements are are distinct 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 and and write once once and write once for that is no repeat not repetition is allowed। तो आपको रिपीटेशन इसमें अलाउ नहीं रहता, ठीक है। मतलब एक बार एक सेट का है, एक सेट में कोई भी एलिमेंट एक ही बार लिखना पड़ता है, ठीक है। ये चीज था। अब एक थोड़ा सा नया कुछ है यहाँ पे, सेट्स ऑफ सेट्स। हियर वी सी सेट्स ऑफ सेट्स इन अ नेक्स्ट सेट। Sets of set 6 number 5 and here we 5 equal sets and 6 number sets of set of sets also we write set sorry set of sets मतलब set का set होना चाहिए, that means collections of sets। this for example here we take one example we by understand set of sets। suppose A is a set, in the set A include the elements in the form of sets। suppose 1, this is also a set 1 2 and 2 5 3 4 6। okay, this A is a collection of sets because one this in the curly bracket when covered by curly bracket, this one is a singleton set and this is a set, this is also set and this is a set of two elements 2 and 5, this is a set of elements 3 4 6। okay, that means ये हमारा क्या है, वही चीज हमारा ये है, ठीक है। so we write in any set or we said in a set if we write elements or we here we say also collections of elements in the form of sets। so firstly we write if we write elements as a set that is when that is the collection of any set in the form of form of sets. Okay, and for example we take here a equal to this, and elements equal to, this is also a set. 1 is a set, 1 2 is another set, and 2 5 is another set, and last set is a 3 4 and 6 is a other set. Okay, this is a 4. This all elements are another sets, that means different sets. so ये अलग अलग सेट्स का कलेक्शंस होता है. ओके, ये चीज हो गया. नेक्स्ट वी सी second example. After this given in the book, second example, this example we read, are the following pairs of sets are equal sets. First statement, first set is given, sets given. A is a set of, is a prime number factor of 6. the x set है, x element है, और x जो होगा prime factor of 6, here first we write illustration 1.2. set A is a collection of prime factor 2 and 3 is a only prime factor. 6 is a not prime factor, 1 is also not prime factors of 6. Okay, so we not take 1 and 6. Next B set, next set B is defined. X is element and x such that x is a solution of this equation. So firstly we derive the solutions, then we write set B. Equations is x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 5x plus 6. We solve this equation. X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Then we write x is common out, so here firstly we common x, so here we left x minus 2, and here we common out minus 3. When minus is common, then signs of all numbers here, present numbers, are changes. So x in a positive, because firstly we after this here is a negative. When common negative signs, then sign it changes. So here is a minus, so we write, here is a plus, so we write here minus, and can common 3, then we divide by 3 to 6, here put 2 equal to 0. Now we common out x minus 2 and x minus 2 in the both term, so we write x minus 2, and here left in the first term here left x, and in the second term left minus 3, and this into this equal to 0 when x minus, either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. So the roots of, here we get x equal to 2 or x equal to 3. That is the set of roots, that is the set B is root of this equation. So root of this equation is 2 and 3. Now we see here A and B, if in A set and in B set, both are same elements, contain both are same elements. So therefore A equal to B, because here 2 and 2 are present and 3 are present, and no any other elements are present here. So we say A and B are equal set. Okay. Next second point we check, X is a set, that means X such that X is a letter in the word replaced है, and B Y such that Y is a letter in the word parcel. Okay, so here we see second point. This is first 2 point first, and second, A is the word of replace. So first we write R E P, all elements, all words are write once, only one times. P, L, A, and C. चलिए देखिए, हम लोग माइक डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था अभी थोड़ा, जिसकी वजह से साउंड चल गया था। साउंड मेरा यहाँ से माइक डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया। हम वीडियो देखें तो in example 2, so again we discuss point statement 3. Set a given set a given set a equal to x. X is an element and such that x is a natural number greater than 1. That means in a set a element natural number greater than 1, so we take from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All are greater number. And set b x is an element such that x is a natural number greater than equal to 1. So we take a natural number from 1 because element is greater than and equal to is the main reasons for we take 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, all natural number greater than equal to 1. Okay, now here we see one is belongs to B, but one is not belongs to A. One is not belongs to A, but B belongs to, sorry, one belongs to B. So for for equal sets, definition says that all elements in both sets, all elements in both set. So one is not here. That means we say ये नॉट इक्वल टू बी, मतलब कि ये और भी हमारा इक्वल सेट नहीं है। ओके, अब हम लोग डिस्कस करें सबसेट का। सबसेट, फॉर सबसेट वी सी और we clear a subset by the examples. We take two examples. First example, a equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and b is another set, elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, that means here set A contain 1 2 3 4 5 and in set B element is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, here we see that all element of A contain in B, all elements of A contain in B. Clearly we see that 1 is here, 1 is here, 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5 5. That means all elements of A contains in set B. That is, so we say A is set A. Set A is also contain in set B. Okay, then so hence we say that hence A is a subset of B. This defines subsets. Okay, मतलब कि अगर A का सारे एलिमेंट, एक एग्जांपल से यहाँ क्लियर हुआ है, A का सारे एलिमेंट, ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A कंटेन इन B, सेट B. ओके, वही तो लिखा हुआ है, वही तो लिखा है, सेट A मतलब खुद कंटेन उसमें कर जा रहा है। ओके, ये चीज बोल रही है। द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट A लिख सकते हैं, सेट तो उसमें कॉन्टेक्ट कंटेंट कहना ये गलत होगा, तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं एलिमेंट के बारे में ही, सेट नहीं कह सकते हैं। सेट क्या बोलेंगे, सेट अलग, एलिमेंट ऐसे होगा जब ऐसे रहना चाहिए। देखो 1 2 3 4 5 is a one set. Okay, this type is contained in A, contained in B. Then we say set A contained in set B. But generally we say truth statement is all elements of A, all elements of A contain in set B. Set B. All elements of set A. All elements of set A contains in set B. Then we say A is a subset of B. This firstly defined. ये हुआ। अब सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल से हम लोग देखते हैं। Further we take next one examples. A is a set, X is an element, and X is girl student. X is a girl student. X is a girl student. A student in your class, and other set B. X is the element and X defined. X is a student. X is a student. X is a student. X is a student. X is a student in your class. Here we say girl is a student. Sorry, X is a girl student. X is a girl student. X is a girl student. Okay, and set B, X is a student in your class. girl is also student, girls also student, and boys student also student. Girl and boy, that means girls and boy both are a student. So this all girls contain in set B, because all girls are a student in set A. Okay, hence we say, hence we say A contains in set B. Okay, दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ सबसेट ऑफ ए। ये भी हो गया। अब यहाँ से समझ में आ गया होगा कि एक्स जो है वो गर्ल्स है, गर्ल्स स्टूडेंट है। एक्स जो है वो क्या है, एक गर्ल्स स्टूडेंट है। और बी जो मेरा सेट है वो एक स्टूडेंट है आपका क्लास का, गर्ल्स है, इसमें भी आपका क्लास का है, गर्ल है एक स्टूडेंट जो आपके क्लास का है। ए भी है स्टूडेंट, लेकिन ए भी स्टूडेंट है। अब ये गर्ल्स भी हो सकता है, बॉय भी हो सकता है, ये भी आपका क्लास का स्टूडेंट है। तो गर्ल्स गर्ल्स तो स्टूडेंट होता ही, वो तो आपका क्लास का होगा ही होगा। ठीक है, ये चीज होगा, ये चीज बोल रहा है। तो मतलब इसका जो एलिमेंट होगा वो इसमें आएगा ही आएगा। ठीक ना, अगर नहीं समझ रहा है, एक गर्ल्स है, ठीक है, ये गर्ल्स है, देख, ठीक है, ये गर्ल्स है। अब ये बॉय है, ठीक है, ये बॉय है। ठीक, इसको, ठीक है, ये थोड़ा ऐसे हो गया, ये बॉय है। ये दोनों क्लास 11th में पढ़ते हैं, दोनों क्लास 11th में पढ़ते हैं। ठीक है, क्लास 11th का स्टूडेंट है, क्लास 11th का स्टूडेंट है। ये आपके क्लास का है दोनों का, ये आप हैं और ये कोई गर्ल्स हैं। आप दोनों क्या हैं, क्लास 11th में, क्लास 11th का है, मतलब दोनों एक ही क्लास का है। तो ये आप ही का क्लास है, ये आपका क्लास है। अगर हम कहें कि ये हमारा इसमें बिलोंग कर रहा है, सेट ए में, ठीक है, और ये जो है, ये पूरा जो है, ये और बी, ये दोनों हमारा क्या है, ये सेट बी है। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये लड़की, ये दिस गर्ल्स बिलोंग्स इन ये, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स इन ये, बिकॉज क्लास 11 का है, ये आपका क्लास का है। तो ये भी क्या हुआ, दोनों क्लास 11 का हुआ ना, गर्ल्स है इसलिए। सो नाउ डिफाइन, एग्जांपल में यही रहेगा। ठीक है, सबसेट सेट के थ्रू डिफाइन करते हैं, कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं, डायरेक्ट लिखते हैं, चलिए कोई भी ठीक ना, कोई बिना सेट लिए बना लिख लेते हैं। लेट नहीं, मत सेट नहीं लेते हैं, बोल सकते हैं और एनी सेट, एनी नॉन एम्प्टी सेट, एनी नॉन एम्प्टी, एम्प्टी भी हो सकता है, जरूरी नहीं है एनी सेट, एनी सेट the elements of any set, the elements, बस जैसे एग्जांपल लिए थे, एग्जांपल्स में जिस तरह दिखा रहे थे, और सेट ए एंड सेट बी कंटेन्स ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट ए इन सेट बी। सो द एलिमेंट्स, ऑल एलिमेंट्स, द एलिमेंट्स, एवरी एलिमेंट्स लिख सकते हैं, ईच एलिमेंट, द नो ईच एलिमेंट, each elements, each element contain, each elements contain in a, each elements of a set, of a set A, each elements of set A contain, each elements, each elements of a set A contain in set B. Then we say, then set A is called, set A is called subset, subset of B. Okay, subset of set B, सबसेट ऑफ सेट बी। एग्जांपल जो अभी दिए थे वो हो गया। ठीक है, ये चीज हो गया। कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज है, प्रॉपर्टीज हम लोग लिख लेते हैं। नाउ वी राइट प्रॉपर्टीज, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सबसेट। properties of subset. Okay, properties of subsets. Say first, all elements of A. Firstly we take two sets, two non-empty sets. एक मिनट, कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है क्या, देख ले थोड़ा। सब कुछ ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, चल रहा है हमेशा माइक्रो। है यहाँ पे सबसेट से पहले प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सबसेट है, उससे पहले मेरा कुछ कुछ आता है। जैसे क्या आता है, एक हो गया मेरा ये सबसेट है, इसके बाद प्रॉपर सबसेट एक बोला जाता है। ठीक है, प्रॉपर सबसेट। प्रॉपर सबसेट इसे किसी को बोलेंगे, प्रॉपर सबसेट कब बोलते हैं? फर्स्टली प्रॉपर सबसेट इसको बोलते हैं। जैसे प्रॉपर सबसेट है, प्रॉपर सबसेट क्या होता है? प्रॉपर सबसेट, व्हाट इज प्रॉपर सबसेट? सपोज इफ we say that set A is proper subset of set B if set A is a subset of set B and A not equal to B. That means both are not equal set. Okay, so this is a proper subset. We can give one examples. For example, A equal to 1 2 3 and set B equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and so here we see A is a subset of B because all elements of A in contained in set B. Okay, so this is a subset and 4 and 3 not belongs to in A, so A not equal to B. That means both conditions are satisfied. This is a subset. Okay, and not is a equal. So we say A is a proper subset denoted by proper subset of B. Here one line is absent, left, skip. So here we write and it is denoted by subset denoted by A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. So this is a subset. A is a subset of B. And A not equal to B. So we say A is a proper subset. Or we also proper subset is representation by A is a subset, proper subset. We equal is not equal. Okay, that means in the set A less element in set from set B. Okay, so and next is equality. After proper subset, equality of subset, equality of sets, okay, equality of sets or sets, equality of sets when two sets A and B are equal. If a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Equality of set means A is equal to B. This is a equal sets and this means equality of sets. That means both sets are equal. Okay, this means A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A also. Then implies this. Okay, हम उल्टा लिख दिए हैं. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B. This implies A equal to B. Okay, A equal to B. That means this equality hold. So two sets are equal. Now defined here equality of sets. We take two sets. Two sets A and B are are equal and A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A also. Then we say equality of set A. Thus, then, thus, thus we say that, thus we say A is equality B. That means A equal B if and only if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. That means in both sets all elements are equal. इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि मतलब दोनों सेट इक्वल हैं, ठीक है। इसका मतलब ये कह रहा है अगर इस तरह से ना रहे, जैसे अगर वो प्रॉपर सबसेट रहेगा, अगर एक भी प्रॉपर सबसेट हो गया, हम यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल A is a subset of B, sorry, A is a proper subset of B and सॉरी कुछ नोट पॉइंट दिया हुआ है। A is a subset of B, A is a proper subset of B if and only if A is a subset of B, then and A not equal to B. ये एक नोट पॉइंट की तरफ नोट कर सकते हैं, नोट दैट दिस पॉइंट, दिस इज नॉट A is a subset of B, सॉरी A is a proper subset। यहाँ से हम लोग बोल सकते हैं एक कंडीशन A is a proper subset of B. Here we also write A is a subset and A is a not equal to B. So this both are in generally we write in the mathematical representations. This both are same. A is a subset of B. Sorry, proper subset if and only if A is a subset of B and A not equal to B. If equal, then this condition should not hold because then B is also contains then B. If here is equal, that means B is also subset of A and A is a subset of A is also, this is already given. This implies A equal to B. So this condition not hold. That means for proper subsets, this is not equal for proper subset, and this condition is only A is a subset of B, and this conditions for this proper subset. Okay. Next, we proceed for properties of subsets. Properties of subset. Properties of subset. Properties of subsets. Okay. Here we write first property is every set is a set on itself, subset on itself. Every set is on subset. That means all sets are subset itself. Okay. Every set its own. Every set is here right is every set is its own subset. And the second property is phi phi is a subset of each set. Okay, and third property is ABC three sets. Here second into phi or empty set, phi or empty set is subset of all sets because empty. We see here A is 1 2 3, phi is nothing any elements, that means phi nothing any elements, so nothing any elements is here also available, so phi containing A also. ये क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. अगर ये कुछ नहीं है, ये कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है, तो अगर हम इसको ढक दें तो यहाँ पे कोई नहीं एलिमेंट भी बोल सकते हैं. ये इसमें देंगे तो फिर एक अलग एलिमेंट हो जाएगा, इसको लिखना गुनाही है. ठीक है, तो फाइव में फाइव मतलब कोई नहीं एलिमेंट, तो कोई नहीं एलिमेंट मतलब इसमें नल है, मतलब वाइड भी बोल सकते हैं, तो वो इसमें आता ही आता है, वो ऐसे ही अकर कर जाता है बाय डिफॉल्ट. सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज, let A, B, C three non-empty set or three sets B three sets, and if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then we say then A is also subset of B. Okay, sorry, C. A is also subset of C because all elements in B and B also contains in C. So A is also containing C because we see अगर A का सारे एलिमेंट भी है B में है, ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं. If all elements in B present, that means, and next step B is containing C, that means B, all elements of B contain in C, or and also in B all elements of A present in B, so A is also contained in C. मतलब अपने भाषा में अगर A का एलिमेंट B में है और B C में कंटेन है, मतलब कि A is also present in A, hence we say A is a subset of C. Okay, this is a third property. And next give here this example 1.3 examples illustrations. If set A, if A is a not subset, if A is a not subset of B and B is not subset of C, then A is not subset of C. Is this statement true? Is this statement true or not? Here this example clear by take examples. We take example illustration 1.3 for problem illustration 1.3 solution. Okay, we take A equal to 1 2 and 3 and B equal to 1 2 and 4 and C set, sorry, here we write also has a space left, so here I write here C set C 1 2 3 5 and 8. Okay, here we see for the subset conditions all elements of set A contains in set B, but here we see 3 in the set A but 3 not set in set B, so A not subset of B. Now here we see clearly A is a subset sorry, A is not subset of B because reason, as since 3 not belongs to, not belongs in B. Okay, this reason. And for B, conditions for this statement: 1 2 1 2 belongs in C but 4 in not belongs to B. So in other way, in other way, B is not subset of C because 4 not contained in set C. Okay, this reason, this both statement, A is not subset of B and B is not subset of C, A is not subset of B and B is not subset of C. Then he asked, A is not subset of C. Here we check: 1 contain in C, 2 contain in C, 3 contain in C. That means A is a subset of, here firstly we define all elements or each element, elements, all elements, all elements are contained in set C. So we say therefore A is a subset of, A is a subset of C. So this given statement, A is subset of C. So this given statement is false. This given statement is false. Statement, this given statement is false. Okay. So given statement false. This given statement is false. Okay. Next we further proceed example 4. In example 4, x, if x belongs to A, if x belongs to A, here we check, if x belongs to A and A is not subset of B, A is not subset of B, then x belongs to A. Is this a statement or true or not true? Okay, so here we check, here we check, x belongs to A and A is not subset of B, then x belongs to B. Firstly we take two examples similar as a 3. A equal to 1 2 3, okay, and B set, we take B set 1 2 4. Okay, given statement, if x belongs to A and A is just not subset of B, 1 2 1 2 but 3 not in B. So given statement, first two statement is true. Okay, first two statement satisfy, given statement is satisfied. Here A is not subset, x belongs to A, all elements, here we see 3 belongs to A but 3 not belongs to, A is not subset, A subset तो नहीं है, and A is not subset of B. Then a statement say that not subset. This is not subset because 3 not belongs to in B. So then x belongs to A, मतलब कि अगर A, देखिए यहाँ ध्यान देना है, ये जो है B है, ठीक है, ठीक इतना है, बोल रहा है कि x अगर A सबसेट नहीं है और बोला है A सबसेट नहीं है B का, A इज नॉट सबसेट ऑफ B, तो पूछ रहा है देन क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड x बिलोंग्स टू B, क्या इसका सारा एलिमेंट इसमें बिलोंग करेगा? अरे भाई ये तो सबसेट ही नहीं है, इसका एलिमेंट इसमें कैसे बिलोंग करेगा? ऐसे भी गलत हो जाएगा, सबसेट तो होना चाहिए ना. दैट मींस फर्स्टली कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई सबसेट्स ऑफ P, देन ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A बिलोंग्स इन B. मतलब यहाँ देख सकते हैं सबसेट तो नहीं है बट यहाँ पे कंडीशन क्या हो रहा है, here not subset, this condition is satisfied. Here we see 3 belongs in A but 3 not belongs in B. ये तो डायरेक्ट दिख रहा है, इसका मतलब हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं, इसका कंडीशन एक गलत है. दैट मीन्स thus गिवन स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स, ओके। आज यहीं पे हम लोग रखते हैं, ठीक है। ठीक है, आप लोग लाइक सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को और शेयर किया कीजिए जरूर, ठीक है। अभी पढ़ाते हैं, उसको पूरा देखिए तभी समझ में आएगा, एक क्लास में समझ में नहीं आएगा। आज हम लोग अलजेब्रा स्टार्ट किए हैं, आगे और कुछ बहुत कुछ करेंगे, कैलकुलस तो चल ही रहा है, ठीक है। आज यहीं पे रखते हैं।